Started my walk this morning at Canary Wharf. This is the base of the Thames Clippers, looking along towards central London. This is the part of the Thames Path walk, just past Canary Wharf. And it's very pleasant. The tide is in, I think, at the moment. Now where do I go now? Do I go along the dockside walkway? No, I don't. I go along the Thames Path, along here. That is the dock that I'm not walking around. Those geese are pecking away at the algae. It's part of the Thames Path, and it looks like this has been constructed to prevent people racing through on cycles. Dunbar Wharf. I have to walk along Duke Shore Wharf. Confirmation that I'm going the right way along here. Another wharf, a barge wharf. Makers Fields. Narrow Street, the Grapes. This is the Thames from the upper room at the Grapes. This is Limehouse Dock. Brewery Wharf, narrow street. And this place is called the Narrow. This is the eating area of the Narrow here by the Thames. Part of the eating area of the Narrow. This is another walkway along the side of the Thames here at Limehouse, and I'm walking towards central London. I've not seen Tower Bridge yet. I can see the Shard. That is one end of the Limehouse tunnel. Thames Path National Trail along here. Back towards the river. Canary Wharf. This is an interesting little bridge. So this is the abandoned wharf. This is the King Edward Memorial Park. We're going to call that Shadwell Basin Bridge. And the inlet from the Thames. From Limehouse Basin direction, and I need to go that way towards Tower Bridge. I have to go down another little alley. That looks a bit macabre. This door is designed to be closed to keep out the water at high tide. Thames Path down there it says, so I'm walking along the Thames Path again by the river. Those apartments there are built well out over the Thames. Wapping Overground Station. The police marine unit. Thames Path is away down this alley to my left. Back by the side of the river, and let's look away to my right. What a majestic sight greets me. Tower Bridge, the Shard, this is a sculpture by Wendy Taylor Gill, which she calls Voyager 2001. There's boats moored at this jetty. Looking across towards Butler's Wharf, Shard in the background. St Catherine Docks. The lock leading to them. Out of London, Thomas's Tower. Traitors Gate, the Tower of London complex. I don't know what that huge ship is across there. In the middle of peak hour, and just look at all the people walking across the London Bridge, standing underneath London Bridge. The water is flowing very quickly. Oyster shed. Yes, a very popular place for people to have a drink when they finish work. That is the bridge that takes the trains from Cannon Street station. Called Wharf, and I've not been able to find out what that structure is. I'm now approaching Southwark Bridge. Southwark. The first bridge I see is the Millennium Bridge, which is just a walking bridge. Looking back over Southwark Bridge in the Shard. Millennium Walking Bridge. View of the Millennium Walking Bridge from the other side, with an aeroplane flying over it. I don't know what this structure is here. So there's some construction work going along here. Now walking under Blackfriars Bridge. Blackfriars Railway Bridge. The piers of the original Blackfriars Bridge are still standing here. This is Blackfriars Bridge, where I started my walk on the other bank 2.5 years ago.